Hi friends, before I start my video, I just want to shout out my friends, Sansky Official, Michael, Kismark, Provincianong Marino, and of course, the Brinda Boys.
Dance!
Hi guys, it's me again, Handysir, at your service. So right now, my plywood is ready. The plywood is in full sheet yet. So the challenge for me is how to create the built-in cabinet of my daughter for just 4 hours starting from now. So I'm not sure if I can make it, but I will try my best to finish this challenge. So it will start from measuring the plywood, cutting, after cutting, assembling. So that's it, not included the mounting on the wall. Okay, so it must be ready now for mounting, so I have to start now.
Dance! Dance!
I'm done. My built-in cabinet is already ready for finishing materials application. I started making it at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So right now it's already 4:20. So again, I met my challenge, which is I have to accomplish assembling it for 4 hours. So thanks God, I'm done and I am safe while doing my task. Thank you guys, and I hope you will always be with me while I am continue to share my skills regarding carpentry related activities. Once again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.